Hey, look at this. This is the same massage chair we're getting for Joe Mayo, $60 cheap.
Except the store's in Delaware.
I'll have him overnighted.
Maybe cheapness is a sense. You know, it is better without this big wallet. It's more comfortable.
It doesn't matter if it's more comfortable. It's wrong.
Why?
Because important things go in a case. You got a skull for your brain, a plastic sleeve for your comb, and a wallet for your money.
Look at this thing. It's huge. You got more cow here than here.
I need everything in there.
Irish money?
I might go there.
Show this card at any participating Orlando area Exxon station to get you a free Save the Tiger poster.
Just give me that. Give me some of those sweet and lows. Well, I'm satisfied. My back is killing me.
Of course, because of that wallet. You got a filing cabinet under half of your ass.
This is an organizer, a secretary, and a friend.
Look at you. You're on a slant.
Yeah. Just give me a couple of napkins. Yeah. Yeah, I'm fine.
What was that?
I think I had some hard candy in there. Oh, so now I have to buy the whole chair by myself?
No, you don't have to buy anything.
I already bought it! I've been lying to you for 3 days and now you're all screwing me!
I don't understand. Why didn't you tell us you had it?
I needed it. My back is a little tweaked.
Because of your giant wallet. Just get rid of it.
Never. It is a part of me. I will just return the chair and it will be easy because the receipt is in my good friend.
Your good friend is morbidly obese.
Well, at least I'm not carrying a purse.
It's not a purse. It's European.
All right. Guitar, first lesson free. Huh. Everything's the chair!